Hey, welcome back again. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to install the Nest app on your iPhone. So you need Nest app on your iPhone. So let's go to App Store. Then you can see that here the search, tap on it. Now type Nest app. You can see here the Nest, tap on it. Now you can see get, tap on get. It will install, tap on install. Ask you for your App Store password, and I have given my App Store password, so let's sign in. It will take some time and it's done. You can see it's down installing now here, so let's wait a little bit. Just a little bit. Now it's done. You can open the Nest app on your iPhone. I hope you like this. If you like this, don't forget to like, comment and share, and also subscribe. See you soon in the next video.